Holy cow, I think this is the cleanest race of the night. This is how you do it, gentlemen. If you haven't watched these guys go around the track, this is how you do it. Nobody's touched anybody. There's been some passes, but nobody's touched anybody. Clean racing. Good job. Out front, 30 seconds in, Corey Blanton showing the way he was with pressure. Brett Duke, he's second. Randy Valentine's third. Eddie Crane's fourth. Barry Henry fifth. Blanton with a fast lap of a 492. Fastest guy on the track, though, is a 488 with Randy Valentine. Randy into the second spot. He made that move. Randy Valentine. We'll see if he can get up there and challenge for that state championship title. 1 down, 3 to go, driver. 1 down, 3 to go. Right now, Corey Blanton showing the way. Randy Valentine second. Your leader is the red car. He comes out on the back straightaway. Oh, your first and second place car get stuck together. That's them at the infield. We'll see how they set down. Looks like Valentine's going to get away first, but we'll see how it shakes out after all the wrecking. We got one stuck down there. Looks like he's broke. All right, it's going to be Randy Valentine on top, Corey Blanton second. Valentine with the fastest lap. Blanton down to second, Crane third, Alan Jones fourth. So the top two cars who had good luck, had good track position, have given some of that back as Eddie Crane moved in. Top three are on the same lap. Valentine, Blanton, Crane. So your leader is the orange and white car going on the back straightaway right now. Corey Blanton is second. He's the red car right behind him. Eddie Crane, he's the black number 12. He's about a half a track down to them guys. So Blanton now making up a bunch of time. He pulled it to within a straightaway. We'll see if Blanton can keep it together with the lack traffic. Blanton pulls into within 3 car lengths. Lots of time for him to do it. 1:25 to go. 1:25 to go, drivers. Blanton up the back bumper. Lots of lap traffic in front of him. We'll see how this plays out. Corey, known to be patient. We'll see if he can do it here. Oh, he spins the wheel off at turn 4. Gives up a bunch of ground. Pulls back up in front of him. Loses a lap. Not very good. Your leader now. He's checked out on his own lap. This is Randy Valentine. 3 down, 1 to go. Drivers 3 down, 1 to go. The orange and white car is your leader. Blanton having all kinds of trouble now. Watch the turn marshals on the front straightaway. All clear. We got 1 in the grass. All right. So Valentine 2 laps up over Corey now. Your leader, the orange and white car, second is the red of Blanton. 25 seconds to go. Eddie Crane runs third, Brett Duke's fourth, Alan Jones fifth. That is your running order. This is for the 17th Sportsman A Main 2016 North Carolina State Champ. Less than 10 drivers, less than 10. Oh, Blanton has a big wreck off of turn 4. All kinds of carnage as the clock expires. Race clock has expired. Finish lap done. Everybody's done except for the carnage down in turn 4 who was